Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're here, my name is Tara. I've been asking each week up in the cards what you'd like to see next. You guys have really been loving my Instant Pot recipe videos. If you watched Wednesday's bonus episode on oatmeal cookies, which by the way were absolutely delicious, I will link them up in the cards and also in the description box below so you could check it out later, then you already know we are gonna make some incredibly easy and delicious Italian chicken pasta in our Instant Pot. This recipe could not get any simpler and you guys are gonna absolutely love it. Before we get started, if you have not already, I would love for you to be a part of this community. You do that by hitting the red subscribe button that's right below this video. Next week, we are gonna make an incredibly delicious pork roast. You guys do not wanna miss this recipe. Be sure to click the bell icon, that way you're notified each time I post a new video. If you guys are ready to make some incredibly delicious Italian chicken pasta, then keep on watching. Here are all of the ingredients we'll be using today. A complete list will be in the description box below. So we're gonna start with our shallots, and I'm just removing the skins, and then I'm gonna dice this up very small. You could also puree it. Sometimes I do that. If you don't have a shallot, you can also use about 1/4 of a yellow onion. That would work really well also. Next, we're gonna grab our garlic. I'm removing the skins and I'm using my garlic press. Absolutely love my garlic press. Now a trick with fresh basil, if you kind of roll it up, it makes it very easy to slice it super quickly. Now we're gonna grab our Instant Pot, set it to saute on high, put in a drizzle of olive oil, and I'm throwing in the shallots and the garlic. We're gonna just saute this just for about 30 seconds maybe. Now we're grabbing our chicken breast and voila! It's diced up pretty small also. This is key. I needed this chicken to be cut very small so everything cooks in the same time frame. I've deglazed with a little bit of chicken stock. Remember, this chicken does not need to cook completely. Now I'm gonna throw all of my dried spices in. I love to toast my dry spices. I highly recommend doing this. It brings out so much flavor. Now I'm gonna throw in some red wine. This is a dry red. I highly recommend using wine. If you don't wanna use wine, you could use more chicken stock or just some water. Then we're gonna throw in the rest of the chicken stock, and of course I'm having some of this delicious dry red. Then we're gonna add our sauce to the pot. I'm stirring everything up. You wanna make sure there is nothing stuck to the bottom of the pot. And then we're gonna pour our pasta right on top. I'm using red lentil pasta. You can use any kind of pasta that you like. It's important to choose one with a similar cooking time as to the one I'm using, and I will leave a few suggestions in the description box below so that you get the best results possible. I'm just kind of pressing it down under the water. I don't want to stir anymore, and I'm adding just the remainder of the little bit of water and a bay leaf for extra flavor. Now we're going to make sure our silicone ring is on. Put on our lid. We're going to set our Instant Pot to high pressure for 3 minutes. Just 3 minutes. As soon as the Instant Pot is done, we're going to allow 5 minutes of natural pressure. This is very important because we need our chicken to be perfectly tender. We're going to open up our lid. Wow, this pasta is cooked absolutely perfect. Make sure you remove the bay leaf. Now it's time for us to make this into a baked penne pasta. So we're gonna put in some fresh mozzarella, highly recommend using fresh, and some grated Pecorino Romano cheese. And then we're gonna add the fresh basil and parsley. I did not have to put this back on saute. The cheeses are melting just by the residual heat. This meal is so incredibly fast to make. I absolutely love how quickly you can make pasta in the Instant Pot, especially something like this, which is just like a baked ziti. Of course, I'm using penne pasta though. I'm topping it with some more freshly grated cheese and some Italian parsley. You guys are gonna absolutely love this recipe. Incredibly delicious. That chicken is perfectly tender. So quick, easy to make. You guys are gonna absolutely love this. What did you think of today's video? Drop me a comment below. Let me know either a recipe idea you have, a video series you're interested in. Do you want to see more Instant Pot recipes, baking? Let me know. I would love to hear from you. If you liked today's video and you want to see more like it, be sure to hit that like button and share this video on all of your social media platforms with your friends, your family, your coworkers, or anyone else that you know that is interested in healthy but delicious recipes. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.